Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exam to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XL for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone. It was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother. I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary. That is, the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office like to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in.
Yeah, Amar, shall I begin? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Amar. Thank you. Yeah, good evening, one and all. So, welcome back to the session, the day two of SDP on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So, right now we are going through the Excel from basic to the advanced Excels. So, day one is completed and we are moving to the day two. So, before going to start with our day two agenda, just we'll do one small recap of day one in a glance. Okay, and I'm going to start my screen sharing if okay, right. Yes, guys. Yeah, screen is visible, right? Yeah. Okay, what we have done is today. So, right, the introduction to the Excel. So, before that, what is the business intelligence? So, the intro about the business intelligence, and after that, the introduction to the some MS Office versions. After that, regarding the Excel, this is a welcome page. We have discussed what are the what we are able to see here. We have discussed the recent, what are the existing previous documents, how to open them, how to open other workbooks. Yes or no? Right. Next thing, and how to open the Excel workbooks. And these are some other windows where you can go with some tutorials or formulas, pivot tables. And if you want, we can get some online templates also. Yes or no? And how to open the existing books. And I'm going to open the existing book, right? So this is my yesterday's topic. Yes, this is what we have discussed. The password protection to our Excel workbook. Yes, I remember that, guys, and thanks for that. Okay, right. So maybe this file is moved to somewhere else. Okay, no issue. Let me open and I'll recorrect a new page only. No need to worry. But you know how to open the existing workbooks, right? Yeah, good. And yes, we have discussed about Excel introduction, then what is cell, and what are the tabs, what are the ribbons, what are the groups, then cell, what are the rows, what are the columns, yes or no, what is the cell range, and what is the name bar, what is the name bar it is displaying, the cell address over there, yes or no, and after that, and sheets. So total number of columns, total number of rows, what are the shortcut keys for them? Yes, shortcut keys. Oh, forgot. Yeah, control plus right arrow, control plus down arrow to get the all rows. Yes, and how to zoom in and how to zoom out your pages, and you can use your control page up and control page down to zoom in and zoom out using the keyboard shortcuts. And if you are using your mouse, then you can directly press your control and move your mouse ball over there. So scroll, when you scroll up it will zoom in, when you scroll down your mouse ball point, then it will scroll, I mean, it will zoom out. And maximum zoom we have discussed is up to 400. Okay, and the sheet, coming to the sheets in the downside, yes, how to get the sheets? So using the functional key F11, or else directly by clicking on the plus symbol over here, we will get the multiple sheets also. And any limitations to the sheets? No limitations, guys. Sheets, no limitations. But what happens is, maximum of maximum, when you reach 1000 sheets in particular Excel workbook, when you go beyond that from 1000, 1001, 1000, 1500, so when you are increasing your number of sheets, your Excel will get hang. It is possible, there is no limitations, but your Excel will get hang. That is the issue. So no limitations on the sheets. Okay, this is what we have discussed yesterday. Yes. Right, and what is the workbook? How to name the workbook? How to save the workbook? Go to the file. Yes, from here, go to the file, click on save as, or else what is the shortcut key directly to get the save as is F12. So F12. So let me write something over here to save my file. We have discussed about the cell. We have discussed about the rows. We have discussed about columns. And we have discussed about the range. Okay, these things. And yes, I'm going to save my workbook, and I'm repeating from the the yesterday's topic. So how to protect your workbook with the password. I think this was the last topic that we have discussed, right? Right. I'll start with that password protection, how to, and for the people who join late or bit late, or else who are unable to catch up the yesterday's this specific topic, then I'll repeat this saving one more time, how to give the password and how to remove the password for the entire workbook also. Right. Just before that, let me show you the agenda for today and tomorrow in advance. Okay. Right. So this is the day one agenda, overview, interface, workbooks, worksheets, cells, type of data. Yes, how to save the books, F12, how to close, control plus W, how to take the new workbook, control plus N, how to open the existing one, control plus O. Yes, and we'll cover all these things, what we left in the yesterday, and we'll cover with the day two agenda also. This is the day two agenda, how to insert, how to delete the rows, columns with shortcut keys, how to hide the rows, how to hide the columns, okay, how to rename the sheets, how to delete the sheets, and basic arithmetic operations, right? We have not discussed about our formula bar, right, yesterday. So we will do that in today's session a bit, and what is the difference between the relative and the absolute differences, and we'll go with some average, such type of aggregate function, and how to sort the data, you know, the sorting, ascending order, descending order, filtering, find and replace. So we will cover with these two, and as we have discussed, I'll go a bit slowly on. Okay, right. Let me start with the Excel with password protection first. So everybody, so shall we start the today's session? So continuation from the yesterday's topic. Yes, right. So how to save this file? Simply press F12. F12. Yes, guys, is my voice is audible? My voice is audible and clear? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Press F12. Yes, everybody. When you press F12, directly you will be redirected to this window that is Save As. Okay, getting the Save As window now? Yes. Then whatever the name you want to give, just give your book name. So usually whenever we open new workbook, we will get the default book name as book 1, book 2, book 3, like that. But we can rename them. Yes. So I'm giving just introduction. Introduction. Okay, and if you don't give the password directly, if you click on the save, yes, you can save the file directly also. Anyone can open that, anyone can close that, I mean edit, and everything is possible. But if you want to protect with the password, that means no one wants to open your file, yes, you can do that. So will you able to see this, guys, tools over here? Will you able to see the tools over here? The tools, this part, tools, I'm highlighting with the red color box. Tools is there. Yes. And after that, see, click on the drop down. There is a small drop down over there. Yes. Click on the drop down. Yes, there is an option called general option over here. Will you able to see the general option over there? So click on this general option here. Click on these general options. Yes. When you click on the general option, one new window will open. So are you getting this new window over here? So which is asking you to enter the password, new password for your sheet, Excel workbook, the complete workbook. Yes, are you getting this? Yes, good. Then give your password and I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and password to modify. No need to give the password to modify. Just enter your password. That's it. Okay, then click on OK and re-enter your password. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and click on OK. Re-enter your password. Re-enter your password. Okay, then click on save. Click on save. Yes, done, guys. Finished. Yes, and simply just how to close the workbook, guys. You know the shortcut. How to close this? Control plus W. Press your Control plus W. So giving Control plus W. Oh, save. Yes, I'm going to save this. Done. And how to open the existing one? Control plus O. So it will ask you to open the recent document. So this is just now we have closed. Yes. See here, we have given the password, right? It is asking us to enter the password first. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, done. Let's open, guys. Right? That. Here, ma'am, I don't want password for my Excel workbook. I want to remove that password for my Excel workbook. Yes, yes, that is possible. Okay, right. So here, guys, will you able to see the file option over here? File. Will you able to see the file over here? Yes. So click over the file. Click over the file. Click on the file, guys. Yes, okay, good. Right, see here, what is the window you are getting? One special highlighted or light orange color window. Will you able to see this? Yes, what it is saying, a password is required to open this workbook. Why? We have given the password for this specific workbook, right? So all the sheets inside will be protected. So entire workbook we have given for entire workbook. So will you able to see this option? Will you able to see this drop down over here? Will you able to see this drop down? Here. So click over there. Click on the drop down. Click on the drop down. Then will you able to see encrypt with password? Encrypt with password. Yes, click over there, encrypt with password, and new window will open. Right, guys, already the password is there, right? Do one thing, just remove that password, just using the backspace, clear that password box, make it empty, make that empty, make that password box empty. Okay, finished. Then click on OK. Yes, then click on OK. See here, immediately your workbook is color changed back to the original normal gray color, right? Back to the normal gray color, or like the remaining windows, remaining tabs. Yes, and simply go back and save your file. Just simply press Ctrl S. Ctrl S. You know how to save the file? Simply press Ctrl S. Yes, and as usual, close your workbook. Close your workbook and simply click on Ctrl plus W. Then where is my recent file? See here, is this asking you the password this time? Is this asking you the password? No, we have encrypted and we have removed the password for the entire workbook. Yes, clear now? The step is done. How to remove the password for the entire workbook? Yes. Then coming to the next thing, the sheet. So here you know how to take the sheets. Yes, directly I'm taking the sheets. It's okay. And you know how to get that shortcut. Okay, recollect the yesterday's session. You have to do some practice, guys, to habituate with these shortcuts. Okay, right. The next one we are going to discuss about like navigating to the sheets. Navigating to the sheets. We know how to take the new sheets. Okay, then how to navigate to the sheets? Any option is there? Yes, right. See here. Let us assume I have many sheets like this. See here, guys, I'm adding many sheets over here. Right, but if I want to view the first sheets, I have to use this arrow marks. See here, guys, I want to move to this arrow marks. Yes or no? But we have many sheets with different names. But ma'am, every time we have to scroll these arrow marks left and right. Yes, how to switch or how to navigate to the particular sheet. Ma'am, I want sheet 17. I have to scroll this right arrow. So here for that also we have two options. We have two options. The first one is just will you able to see this? The first sheet, when you move to the first sheet, just click over there, give your right click over there. See right click. Will you able to see the small arrow, right arrow? Will you able to see the small right arrow there? This part. Will you able to see that? And right click over there. See, right click. So when you right click over there, see what are the available sheets you have. Everything is giving in the form of list. Yes, I want only the particular sheet 14. See here, guys, when I click on sheet 14, automatically it is redirecting to sheet 4. And here we are not getting much difference. Why? Because all the sheets are empty. Okay, I want to move to the sheet 1. So click on OK. Yes, see here, guys, I'm moving to the sheet 1. Then I want to move to the sheet 10. Then click on OK. Yes, this is the way to navigate to the sheets using this active list. Yes, done. But here we have one more shortcut also for that. We have one more shortcut for that. See here, let us suppose here I am in the sheet 1. Okay, and you can use your control if you want to move to the right side from this sheet. Take your page up, control plus page up. Control plus, so right side, page down. Control plus page down towards the right, page down towards the right. See, whatever the sheet, control plus page down towards the right, control plus page down towards the right. If you want to go back to the left, control plus page up, control plus page up. So you can navigate to any sheet, that is also possible. Okay, so I'll write it here. Navigation to sheets. What are the shortcuts? If you want to move to the right side, the control plus page up. You have page down there, right? Page up, page down. So page down. If you want to move to the right side, right towards the right sheets, and control plus page up, control plus page up towards your left sheets. That's it. See here, guys, I want to move from here, so I'm taking the page down and I'm navigating to the sheet. And if I want to move to the left side, I'm taking press control plus page up. You can move to any. Okay, guys, got it? Right. So next, coming to the sheet protections. Previously, what we have done, guys, the entire Excel workbook protection we have done. But what is the thing here is, see here, I have some data in my sheet 1. I have data in my sheet 1. Yes. So what I want to do is here is, I want to protect this sheet, not the entire workbook. Not the entire workbook. I want to protect only the particular sheet in the workbook. So let me take some data over here in the sheet 7. I'm zooming a bit. So random data, some name, entries, some columns randomly. So sheet 1 and sheet 7. But I want to protect the data on only sheet 1. Is this possible? Yes, guys. So will you able to see the sheet name over in the downside? Okay. So right click over there. And will you able to see the option protect sheet? Protect sheet is there. Protect sheet is there. Yes, click on the protect sheet. Click on the protect sheet, and is this asking you to enter some password over here? It's your choice. I'm giving 1, 2. You can give your own password, 1, 2, 3. So don't take the remaining columns or the delete the rows. It won't accept anything. You cannot delete or you cannot insert. You cannot do anything once it is protected with password. The particular sheet only, not the workbook. Okay, right. So click on OK, guys. Click on OK and re-enter your password one more time. Click on OK. Done, finished. Click on OK. Right. See here, when I'm trying to, I want to edit this data. See, guys, I want to edit the particular cell. So the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protection sheet. To make a change and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter the password. Getting my point, guys? Yes, this particular sheet. But see here, I haven't protected my sheet 7. Only the given protection to the sheet 1, but I haven't protected my sheet 7. So I'm able to edit this name of the student. I'm able to do this, but I'm not able to edit in the sheet. See, it is protected. Okay, clear? Right, ma'am, ma'am, I don't want to put password to my sheet. So what is the thing? Yes, we can unprotect our sheet, and the process is same, guys. Just right click over there, right click over there, right click over there, and will you able to see unprotect sheet? Unprotect sheet. Unprotect sheet. Yes, click on unprotect sheet, and just for the confirmation, you have to enter your password. Okay, click on OK. Now the sheet is unprotected. Yes, see, guys, is I'm able to edit something over here. See, is this giving any message now? No, my sheet is protected. Unprotected. I have removed the password over there. Yes, guys, these things are a bit important when we work on the real-time data, the organization. Sometimes we have to, when we are sending the files, when we are publishing some files, we supposed to put some passwords also, so that other persons cannot modify or delete or something from your sheets. So this is very important. The entire workbook as well as the particular sheets. Yes, finished everything. Everybody clear now? Right. So two things done: the password protection remove for the sheet, the workbook, as well as how to put the protection to the sheet and how to unprotect the sheet. Right. Then coming to the next one, We'll do one thing. Now we'll go to some data entry, fill handles, fill series. Okay, now we'll move to, these are the just simply the basic, and we'll move to the one more step, that is how to enter the data and such type of things we will discuss. Okay, right, I'm taking sheet 8 over here. You can choose your own sheet. We'll discuss some additional shortcuts, some other points over here. Is everybody open? Right. We'll do one thing. We'll go with some data entries, how to set the columns, adjustments, heights, width, and autofill, how to get the serial numbers. Already see guys, we are getting some by default row numbers. Okay. We'll do one thing. So I want to enter one student details. Okay. Usually we start with serial number only, guys. Yes, serial number. Then name of the student, then contact number. So what I'm doing, guys, will you able to get? Now you can take anything, guys, any column name you think you can take. But what I'm trying to discuss here is few points like fill series, fill handles, how to adjust these columns, heights, widths, rows, how to take the new columns, how to take the new rows, how to delete the rows, and such type of things we will discuss. Okay, right. So have you entered these things? Suppose here, see, this is my row started with the by default number with 1. But in my first row, if you observe, in my first row, I have some column names over there. Serial number, name of the student, contact numbers, and age. But here, from here, I want to start my roll numbers or serial numbers. So usually your serial number starts from 1 only. Yes, 1. I'm giving 2, giving 3, giving 4. Let us assume I have 1,000 students. Will you give every number in the row, in that box cell? Will you sit and type 1,000 numbers over there? No, that is the wrong thing. Okay, for that we have shortcut. Okay, so do one thing. Yes, first take 1 to 2 numbers as usually, 1 and 2 numbers, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Just give 1 and 2. Okay, then will you able to see this plus symbol over the cell? Just select these two cells. I'm repeating. First click on the first cell, click on the first cell, then drag and choose these two cells, drag and choose these two cells. Yes, see here guys, will you able to see something over there? One small plus symbol. Yes, I'll zoom it a bit more. Yes, see guys, will you able to see some plus symbol? Will you able to see some plus symbol over there? Yes, simply drag from there and up to how many serial numbers you want, you can drop. Suppose I want 24, up to this. See guys. No need to waste the time by simply entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till the 1,000 or 2,000. Getting my point, guys? Yes, and yes, more if you want to increase more, that is also possible. That is also possible. You can go ahead. Just drag it. Just drag it. This is exactly called your fill handle or fill series. This is called your fill series. So this is called your fill handle or fill series. fill handle or fill series. Okay. It's clear now, guys? Right? I'll show you one more thing. Let us assume the same serial number. What happens if I start from 1? Just for idea. I'm taking only 1. Okay. Ma'am, what happens here also? We are getting some plus symbol over there. What happens if I drag here? See, why this is not increasing the count? Why I'm getting only 1? Why I'm getting only 1 here? Oh, is my voice is gone? Yes, is my voice is audible? Yeah, okay, thank you. So for that, what I'm doing, so instead of from here only, I want to drag. So when you press enter, see here in this, there you are getting one plus symbol there, same like the previous one. But when you take the 2 numbers, your plus symbol will be a bit bigger when you take this fill handle over here, the plus symbol. Simply press Control and drag over there. See here, guys, when I press Control on this, will you able to see one more plus symbol on the on the big plus symbol, you have one small plus symbol. So when I remove my control keyword, you are getting only one plus symbol. But when I press control over there, I'm getting one more plus. And see here, when I'm trying to drag in the right side, it is giving you the numbers also. See, serial numbers. This is also one more way, guys. This is also another way. So the 2 ways. You can go either by selecting the 2 cells, or else directly just press control and drag it. In this way also you can get your fill handle or fill series over there. Just finished, guys? Right. So this is about the fill series or fill hand. Then moving to the next one. See here, guys, one more thing. When I type something in this cell, okay, so if you have this cell here over here, but see here, what is my exact cell consisting of? The name of the student. But when I press enter, see here, name of the that is thing is gone. Yes, it is gone inside the C cell. Right. So if you want to adjust your column size according to the content you have entered, simply see here, guys, when you move your cursor onto the column, you're able to see this arrow with left and right arrow with vertical middle line. Yes, double tap over there, automatically based on the content, it will adjust the column size. It will adjust the column size. Yes, I'll show you one more thing. See here, guys, you have contact number, but see my contact number. I'm able to see up to contact, but I'm unable to see the number there. I'm unable to see the number. See here, I'm repeating, move your cursor here, move your cursor. Will you able to see this plus symbol over there with the left and right color arrow with the vertical line inside? This thing. Okay, do one thing, just simply double click over there, automatically it will adjust the column space according to the data. according to the data. Got it? Yes. Okay, we'll do one thing. Ma'am, we have here only 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, so that it is possible by simply clicking on one column, it is okay. Ma'am, I have, let us assume, 10 columns. Will I sit for each and every column? Will I adjust each and every column? Yes. Do one thing, guys. Instead of that, see here, guys, I don't want this much space for my age. Let me take one more column name as salary. Okay. And let me take one more column name, address. Okay. Residence address. Okay. Done. See here, guys, it is not adjusting. Suppose from here to here, I want to adjust my columns. Just select your columns. Just select your columns. Select all the columns. And just double click on anywhere. Automatically, it will adjust the things. See here, guys. I'll repeat that. I'll repeat that. I'm entering one more thing. Residence address. Yes, it is moving to the H, but originally this is in which column? G, but it is moving to the H. I don't want that. Instead of moving here and there, instead of double press, I want to set all my column spaces. So for that, just select all your columns. Select all your columns till the G, till the G. Just double tap on any one of these columns like this. Double tap on any one of these columns. See here, guys, automatically all your columns are set. Why salary is taking means here I have fill handle inside that. No need to worry. Okay, fill handle is a bit bigger than the salary. But see the residence address. Now it is completely fit to the G column. Yes. So like that, how many columns you have, n number of columns, you can adjust the space over there before going to enter the data. This guys done? Clear up to this? Yes. Done. And guys, when I enter some data, I'm using some shortcut keys to go back, or suppose, let us assume, I have entered the name of the student like Sam. I'm entering the data, guys, Jam, some Sonu like this. But what happens if I press Control Z over here? What happens if I press Control Z? You know the thing, right? We use this Control Z and Control Y mostly. And if you want to see on the top side, so what is your Control plus Z? So your Control plus Z is your undo. So if you don't want that cell, just go back, undo. And if you want that cell back, just redo. Undo and redo. And so this is not the new thing, guys. You know Control Z and almost all the things where you use your Word or PPT or Excel, whatever the basic you use in your school, I mean college days, in the normal word sheets also, you will use this Control Z and Control Y mostly, right? So this is not the huge thing, but this is a thing, Control Z and undo and redo. Control plus Z. So Control plus Z and Control plus Y. Y for this is undo and this is redo. Yes, redo. Redo means control plus y. Just clear now, guys? Right, good to go. Then, so coming to the next thing. Okay, guys, we'll do one thing. Now ma'am, in between, suppose between the name of the student and the contact number, in between these two columns, I want to add the new column. So we are moving to the next topic, that is adding new columns wherever we require, adding new rows wherever we require. How to delete, how to add the columns, how to delete the columns, how to add the rows, and how to delete the rows. Okay, suppose in between name of the student and contact number, let me take, I want to add one column, that is branch. Let us assume branch or department or something. Okay, yes, first you have to select the column first where you want to enter your new column. So by default, if you use your shortcut key, by default it will add the new column to the left side, guys, only to the left side. Okay, and the shortcut key here is Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. And guys, if and this Shift plus depends on, guys, why? Because some keyboards, they directly consist of number pad on the right side, direct plus, direct press. But some keyboards, they have only plus or below the functional keys. They don't have any separate number pane on the right side of the keyboard. Okay, so if you don't have that number pane on the right side, if you don't have direct plus over there, you have only one plus on the top of your numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, okay, let me show you the thing. If it is possible to open the virtual keyboard, I shall tell you the difference. I don't know whether I have a virtual keyboard or not with me. Oh, no, guys, I don't have virtual keyboard. No, guys, for that I have. Okay, let me repeat this. Let me repeat this. Okay, I want one new column between name of the student and contact number. Okay, here I want to add one column between these two. Okay, then just first select your column. Then the shortcut is Control Shift plus. When you press Control Shift plus, by default, one column will be added on the left side. Okay, by default on the left side. And whatever the column, yes, we are trying to enter the branch name, right? That's it. And how to adjust the space? Yes, just check the adjust the space. And how many number of columns you want? Simply Control Shift plus. Simply Control Shift plus. Simply Control Shift plus. How many columns you want? You can do that. And the reverse of this, how to delete the specific columns? Simply Control minus. Control minus, not the Shift minus, guys. Control minus. Control minus. I'll write it here. To add new column, the key is Control plus, Shift plus, plus. Shift plus, guys. Okay, and to delete any column, the key is Control plus minus. Only the minus, not the Shift minus, guys. Control minus. Yeah, sure, guys. I'll repeat it for one more time. Yes, if you want to add new columns, first where you want to add the new column. For that, first select any one existing column. And so by default, your shortcut keys will add the new column onto the left side only to the left side. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. And if you want to delete that, simply Control minus. That's it. Then guys, and rows also. Rows, the same thing guys, rows. Suppose, ma'am, I want to add one new row here. First, will you able to see the left side one, this thing, right arrow it is showing. First, just select your particular row where you want to add the row. Okay, first select any specific row. Not here guys, not here. It will select this cell. Will you able to see the number of the rows? Numbers of the rows? Numbers of the rows. Just click over there and it is selecting your entire row till the last. Yes. Then repeat the same guys. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Yes, by default it will add in the top. Control Shift plus. How many number of rows you want? That many number of rows it will add on the top. Control same. Key is same. But instead of selecting the column, you have to select the row first. You have to select the row first. And same way how to delete that? Control minus. See here guys. Control minus. Yes guys. Finished? Done? Clear with this? Right. Coming to the next thing, the which one? Just we'll go with the agenda just in a glance. I think basic things we so copy cut paste. I'll explain that how to copy that. Fill handle is done. Enter editing data cells. Navigation through is done. And text formatting. Yes. So now we'll do some formatting of the cells. Okay. And guys, is only the shortcuts. So if you want to insert, yes, we have one more option also, guys. Just right click on any cell. Right click on any cell, column, sorry, column. Just you can go with this also. Insert, insert. Insert is also there. Same way, if you choose any row, if you want to add any rows, insert, it will by default add in the top. So that is also possible. Yes, guys. Then coming to the next thing, we'll do one thing. We'll see some format of cells, like you will do in the Word also. Wait a second, guys. My system got stuck. My Excel got stuck. Yes. Right. I'll do one thing. I'll take one new sheet to go with the formattings. So data entry is done, right? So guys, before that, you know how to rename the sheets. We haven't discussed the sheet rename. Yes, see here guys, when you click on these sheets, you are getting the sheet 1, sheet 2, right? So if you want to rename them, just right click on that, right click or double click. Yes, double click also works, guys. Double click also works. Okay, right, there is your option rename there. See here we have many options. If you click on any particular sheet, we are getting many options. What are the insert? That means you want to insert the new sheet, you want to delete the sheet, you want to rename the sheet, you want to move or copy the same sheet to some other place. And the protect sheet, we have already done the protect sheet. And the tab color, yes, if you want to give any specific tab color, see here guys, I'm getting my tab color over there. So if you want to put any specific tab colors, that is also possible. And if you want to hide the sheets, suppose I want to hide this sheet, just click on the hide, that sheet will get hidden. That is also possible. And we are going to rename them. So rename the sheet basic. Just I'm taking the short name as basic. And what is this? What we have discussed in sheet 8. So some points like data entry, regarding the data entry things we have discussed, the columns and rows. And coming to the next sheet, I'm taking the new sheet and we are going to discuss about some formats. Okay, I'm going to rename that format. I'm taking the format. Okay. Yes, guys. So we'll do one thing for the format, like what we will do, like the text, how to change the text fonts and text colors, cell borders, and the shading parts, such type of formats we will do. The basic formats, guys, not the conditional formatting. I'm not going to start the conditional formatting now, the basic formatting only. So once you are okay with the basic formatting, then we'll go with the conditional formatting. So in the conditional formatting also we have normal conditional formatting and advanced conditional formatting options also there, that we will discuss when we enter into the intermediate level of Excel. Okay, and for now I'll take some data, normal data, like serial number. And how to see, guys, after I entered the data, I'm using the tab to move to the next cells. See here, guys, tab, or else simply up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, that also you can use. Okay, right, I'm taking name of the student, then okay, I'll take the branch only, and I'll take the contact number. I'll take the age. Okay, this is enough, guys, for now. Okay, and how to adjust these columns? Just select all the columns, press anywhere, automatically based on that it will adjust. And you know how to take the serial numbers also. Will handle just now we have done. And now I'm taking just 10 numbers, just candidates, and you know how to enter the data. And I'm taking random data, guys. Fine. And branches like CA, take random things, guys, don't focus on data. Okay, and some contact numbers. Right, it's a small data, guys, nothing more than that. Small data to notice some format options. Okay, right. Yeah, you can choose your own 5 to 5 columns, ma'am. If it is more than, no, it's okay. You can choose more also. Okay, we'll learn some format options here. Okay, right. We are going to start the format and see here, guys. When you're in the home button only. Yes, you're in the home tab. Will you able to see the format here? I'll highlight that. Yes, guys. So based on your based on your versions, what happens? You will get this format option with some icons also. That depends on. But it is in the home page only. Yes. Are you able to see this format? Yes. Okay. So we'll be able to see the drop down over there. A small drop down is there. Small drop down is there. Small drop down is there. Yes, before going to this, see the shortcut, first we'll discuss some points. So we will get directly format cell options only with the shortcut, okay? Right, guys. So we'll be able to see row height, auto fit row height. So what is the row height, guys? Based on your data you have entered, your row height will automatically adjust. Row height, or if it is auto row height, no need to worry. And the same way column width also, but we know how to set the column widths, and auto fit column width, that also we can fit. And someone asked how to hide these things, hide and unhide the rows and columns. Yes, now I'll tell you how to hide the rows and how to hide the columns and how to hide the sheets and how to unhide them also. I think someone asked previously ma'am, how to get these hidden sheets. Okay, so from here also you can get that. So first I'm focusing on hide rows. So if you want to hide the rows, first which rows you want to hide, select them. So in this way. Suppose I want to hide only these three, or else I want to hide these two. Fourth person and fifth person rows I want to hide. Okay, so click on the format, click on the hide, click on the hide rows. I'll repeat, guys. I'll repeat. No need to worry. I'll repeat. I'll repeat. So if you want to hide some rows, first choose your rows. Not here, guys. Not on the cells. Just choose your rows which you want to hide. Okay. Choose your entire two rows. Click on the format. And will you able to see hide and unhide in the format? Hide and unhide there. Yes, click on the hide rows. See, guys, after 3 I'm getting my 6. My rows are hidden. Ma'am, if rows are hidden, is we missing the data of the two rows? No. We are not missing any rows. No data. We are not missing any data. Just the rows are hidden. That's it. And the same way, if you want to unhide them, just go here and click on unhide rows. Automatically, your rows, all the rows will be unhidden. Your all rows will be unhidden. Guys, the same way, if you want to hide any columns, suppose I want to hide these two columns. So go to the format, click on the hide. So you want to hide the columns, right? So click on the hide columns. See, guys, A, B, my CD and gone, and I'm directly getting my E. So these are hidden. Okay, and how to unhide them? Just simply click on unhide and unhide column. See, back. Same way to the rows, guys. Same way to the rows. Okay, and sheets also there, guys. Sheets. And if any hiding sheets are there, so it will display over there. So sheet 9 is hidden. So simply click on OK. Yes, see guys, sheet is also unhidden now. Okay, so sheets also we can hide and unhide from here also. Yes, by double clicking also that is possible. That is possible. Okay, then renaming the sheets. We have already gone to this rename the sheets, move copy sheets, and the tab colors, whatever the tabs you want to do, that is also we have done. Protect sheet is done. Lock cell, guys. Lock cell means we can do that, but it's not that only the particular cell. But if you protect the sheet, you cannot even do any data entry or editing or deleting of this cell. Then coming to the most important thing, the last one is the format cells, guys. The format cells. We are starting with format cells. Okay, see, when I move my cursor onto the format cells, is this giving directly the shortcut? But for above, is this giving any shortcuts over there when I move cursor there? No, only for the format cells only. So what is the shortcut gives? Control plus 1. Or else just simply click on format cells. Simply click on format cells. Yes, are you getting this window? Are you getting this window over there? Yes, so here we have some options like number, alignments, fonts, borders, fill, and protection. So protection, locked or hide, we can protect the sheet. And the fill, okay, I'll explain that. First we'll focus on the fonts. We'll focus on the fonts. Okay, see here guys, you can choose any one of the columns. Or else, see, I want to put all these names. I want to change the fonts or the themes, some fonts, theme fonts. So I can choose from here also. I think all of you are aware of this. And if you want to increase the size, if you want to decrease the size, and if you want to make them bold, and if you want to make them slant, if you want to put some underlines, this also works, guys, for the text. Okay, or else when you go to the format cells, and what is the shortcut key, guys? So I want to make them bold. So first I'm selecting this column, or else I'm selecting this data. Control plus 1. Control plus 1. Control plus 1. From here also you can change your fonts. Okay, size and bold. I want to make them bold. Yeah, Control B also works. And if you want to increase the size, and see here, guys, it is giving some bold italic also. See, guys. Here, from here also, you can do that. From format cells also, you can do that. That is possible. Okay, guys. Then same, just okay. Next thing, we'll go with Control plus 1. So font is done. Borders, yes, guys, the borders. Okay. Suppose, see here, this is my table, right? This is my table. And ma'am, how to select? Ma'am, this is only the 10 rows of data. Then it is simply easy to select all these 10 rows. But what happens, ma'am? I have 1000 rows of data. How can I select? Then the shortcut key is Control plus A. See here, guys, Control plus A. Control plus A. Guys, if you click outside the sheet, your Control plus A will select your entire sheet, not only the specific data. till the row number 10. But if you want to select only this much data, you have to click in any one of these cells inside, then press Ctrl A. Then press Ctrl A. Yeah, printing options. We have not started printing options, so let it be. Okay, right. Done, guys. Okay. Then Control+1. Press your Control+1. Now this is your table, right? This is your table. So if you want to set some borders, if you want to give some colors, yes, outlines, insides, that is possible. See, when you press Control+1, so you can choose any one of these styles, guys. I want to use this. I want to choose these styles, and okay, I'll choose my red color over there. And I'll take my outline. So like this, see, it is giving some visualization inside. I'll put inside also for each and every column. Okay, it's your choice, guys. It's your choice. Then click on OK. Oh, my table is ready. My selected data, my table is ready. And if you want to fill any specific colors, I think that is also possible. So, oh, this is very too much. Yes, yellow. Let me take the light yellow. Okay, you can fill that color also. See, guys, you can fill the background colors also for the specific table. Guys, this is not the conditional formatting, the normal formatting mode. Okay. Right. Anything else? We'll see that. Yeah. Now, fonts, borders, fills, protection, hiding, and alignments, guys. The text directions. But by default in the Excel, we always take the direction from left to right only. So no need to change that. Yes. Coming to the numbers. Coming to the numbers. Okay, we'll focus on some things here like currencies, dates, like times, percentage, custom also. We'll discuss that. Okay, right. See, guys. Okay, I want to add one date column over here. I want to add date column. I want to add, yes, see, guys, when I'm taking by default, it is taking dynamically the same page. Okay, right. Then date, in which format you want? Date, month, year, or month, date, year, the short year with the names. So for that, again, just click on Control+1. But before that, you have to choose your entire column. Ma'am, when I click here, it is selecting all the rows, ma'am. But I want up to only 10. I want only up to 10, ma'am. How it is possible? How it is possible? Yes. So just press Control Shift down arrow over there. Wait, guys. Again, it got stuck. Guys, my Excel. Yes, it is working now. Guys, wait a sec. It got stuck. So why it is selecting all the rows? Wait, guys. My keys are not working properly. Let me check with this. Why? What happened to this? Okay, guys, we'll do one thing. For up to this sheet only, it is working. But okay, let it be. But it will take automatic fill handle will take up to 10th row only, right? So we'll focus on the format. So suppose I want to set the date format over there. See here, guys. I want my date format like this. So you can choose any date format over there. You can choose any date format over there and click on OK. So click on OK. Now, see, when I'm entering some date, 12/3/2024, just simply press enter. But what is the format? 3rd December 2024. So this is date, month, and year. It is by default taking. Ma'am, I want to change the formats. Yes, simply select your cell, Control plus. Then you can choose any format, or else you can go to the custom. You can go to the custom and type something like date, month, year. So when you keep it as a custom thing, yes, guys, you are getting date, month, and year. Then you know the fill handle, right? So in the serial, it will get and till 10th row only. Till 10th row only. Till 10th row only. And in original files, we have manual dates, different dates, but we are taking the help of fill handle. Okay, right. Such type of custom options, and here also you can set that, guys. Go to the general. There also you can set your long dates, short dates. But here from the format also we can go that. Okay, let me take one more column with currency. Okay, let me take this like the fee. So let me take my fees in dollars. So how to set that? Just simply Control plus 1. Go to your currency. Okay, go to your currency, and dollar means United States and everything. We have dollar symbols, or else if you want to remove the decimals, that is also possible, guys. I'll repeat this. I want to set my specific column with the dollar. Dollar means the rupees, fees, right? 1,000 rupees. Instead of rupees, I want to put it as $10, $20, $30, like that. For the entire column, guys. For the entire column. Okay, so just Control plus 1, and will you able to see the currency? When you click on the currency, okay, and will you able to see the decimal places? Means the decimal places 10.10, 10.21. So after the decimals, how many points you want? Okay, let me show this. And the symbol I'm choosing dollar only. See, guys, I'm choosing the dollar and click on OK. Let me take 10. Enter. See, when I enter, what it is taking by default, your column set to dollars. And just take the help of fill handle, the $10, or else if you want to increase this, that is also possible, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. And if you want to remove the decimals, ma'am, how can we remove the decimals? Yes, first select your column, Control plus 1. Go to your currency and remove the decimals from here. Remove the decimals from here. Then click on OK. Yes, see, guys, my decimals are gone. My decimals are gone. Clear, guys? So not only the dates, guys. If you want to set some percentages, see, we have many options over there. You can try that. So time options. So any time format you can mention the percentage. Yes, if you want to put any specific column with percentage, or for the text, any sample text you want to put, and go to the custom for any specific column you want to set any custom options, that is also possible, guys. So from the custom also it is possible. Okay, so these are the very basic formatting of your Excel. So you know the things like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, how we will set this font sizes, uh, themes, colors, shadings, text colors. Yes, so all these are similar to that, but the shortcut key you have to remember here is to get the format cells, Control+1. Guys, clear a bit? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, moving to the next topic. After the formats, we will discuss any important topics. Let me take before going to see the formula bar. So we haven't started the formula bar. Let me go with navigating, autofill, undo, redo, text formattings, colors and shading, cell borders, and inserting, deleting the columns, hiding the rows, renaming, deleting the sheets. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do this sorting of the data. Okay, filtering the data and find and replace options. Okay, then we'll go with this arithmetic operations. Okay, right. So I'm renaming the sheet. So like data organization, okay, data organization. Yes, guys. So we'll do one thing. First, let me explain this the sorting, filtering, and the find and replace. Okay, on the normal one created sheet. Then meanwhile, guys, I have already uploaded one a sample Excel workbook to your drives. So you have given with some drive access, right? I have given one sample file over there. You can practice all these things and I'll explain it also. So that sheet will do something, whatever we have done, we will do that. First, let me finish on my created data. Okay. Okay, let me take, okay, same like serial number, name. Okay, simple thing. Let me take the age. For ascending, descending, okay, name and age is possible. And for filtering, okay, for filtering also I'll take some data, find and replace. Okay, age, the fee. Okay, let it be. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let me take and their ages. Yes, we are going to focus on sorting. For that, I'm taking one small sample data. Then we will do it on one Excel workbook I have already shared in the Google Drive. You have access for the Google Drive, right? So I'll open that. First, let me explain this, the basic sheet, okay? Let me take 1660. Okay. Yes. So shall we start with the sorting, guys? Yes. Shall we start with the sorting? Right. So you know what is mean by sorting? You know the sorting, either the ascending order or the descending order. So what is mean by ascending order? So I'm writing over here sorting. So means I can take ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Okay. So what is mean by ascending order, guys? Small number to the larger number, and descending means the bigger number to the smaller number. Okay. So we'll in the home page, will you able to see this option, guys? Before the format, beside the format, you have this option like sort and filter. Sort and filter is there. So here, right. Sort and filter here, guys. Will you able to see that? Okay. So what you will do, just click on this drop down over there. Will you able to see the drop down there? Just click on that drop down. Click on the drop down. Okay. See, guys, if it is alphabetical order, I mean, that is the numbers, sorry, the character data. So with letters A to Z, automatically it will set into the alphabetical order. But I haven't selected anything, guys. I haven't selected any data. So for that, let me choose Control A. Then I want to put all my data in smallest to largest. Why it is taking the smallest to largest means I have selected data where I have numerical data and I have the strings data also, character data also. Suppose I want to put only this column. I want to put only this column to the ascending or descending order. Okay, then how we can do that? So select only this data, click on the sort, then put from A to Z. So it is asking some message. It's okay. It will take. So no need to worry, guys. Ignore the warnings. I'll explain. See, guys, what is the letter in the alphabetical order? Anu, D, R, S, and so. Okay. In the same way, if you want to set M in the Z to A manner, then simply click on Z to A. The sorting is very, very easy, guys. Sorting is very, very easy. Then, guys, or else let me choose the age column. Let me choose the age column. Okay. So Control Shift down arrow. So when I click on sort and filter, see, guys, based on, so Excel is very smart. See, based on your data, it is by default showing how to sort this column, either to the smallest to the largest, or the largest to the smallest? Yes, Excel is very smart. It is automatically considering what is the type of data inside that also. See, I'll show you the difference. When I click on the name column, if I select this, when you click on the sort over here, see sort A to Z or Z to A. Why? Because this column is having characters data. The type of data is characters, so alphabetical order. But if I choose this column, so what is happening if I choose this column? When you click on sort, so it is taking smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So click on sort and it is taking the smallest to the largest. Okay, and if you want to put them in largest to the smallest, that is also possible. Okay, and all the rows, yes, by default dynamically the remaining names will also change, guys. Okay, then clear. And from here, guys, we have one more option. Instead of this thing, we can do the custom sort also. We can do the custom sort. See here, I'll repeat this. I'll repeat this. Okay, as usual, just select your data, click on the sort, click on the custom sort, click on the custom sort. So click on the custom sort. So one new dialog box will open like this. Yes, guys, we can do all together. So based on sorting the numerical value, if it considers, it will do ascending or descending based on that only. Or else you can go with the custom sorting. Okay, right. Are you getting this thing, guys? Are you getting this thing? So here, suppose I want to sort based on fee only. I want to sort based on the fee values, guys. We do not have any colors, cell colors, font colors. So just simply keep in values. And you want to put largest to smallest or the smallest to largest. So choice is yours. I want to put the largest to the smallest and click on OK. See, guys, my entire sheet is based on fee column is changed to the largest to the smallest. See, guys, my fee column. But my age is still in jumbled order only. Why? Because I have done the custom sorting only on the fee column, guys. Custom sorting only on the fee column, not on the entire sheet. Okay. Yeah, this is the sorting. It's very easy for character data ascending and descending orders. And for the numerical data, smallest to the largest and the largest to the smallest. Okay, then what we have discussed, the next one like filter, right? Okay, let me go with the filter. Okay, so in this only, see here in the sort only you have one more option, filter. Will you able to see the filter there? Will you able to see that? Yes, click on that filter option. So when you click on that filter option, see, by default, your column names are getting with some drop downs. See, you are getting some drop downs. So you are getting some drop downs. Yes. So what is this? So if you want to sort anything, suppose I want to sort some filter something. Suppose when you click on the drop down, first unselect. I want only the Deepak details. Okay, so I can filter out. See guys, it is filtering and giving only the details of Deepak. So called filtering. Only the details of Deepak. Getting it? And ma'am, I don't want any filters. I want to remove the filters. Just again click on filter symbols. Your filters will be removed. Okay. Yeah, I'll repeat. I'll repeat. See guys, I want only the 1% details. So I want to filter out only one specific person details or the 2% details. Okay, so I'll take the help of this filtering options. Okay, for that, just go to the sort and filter. Go to the sort and filter. Click on the filter. Click on the filter. Okay, when you click on the filter, by default, see I have highlighted with some green color boxes there. So each and every column will get added with this green color there. Filter symbol there. Okay, then choose anything. So I'm choosing the name. Okay, first unselect all. I want only the Deepak details. I want only the Sam details. So which person details? Ma'am, only the name column? No, guys. You can choose any one of this. You can choose any one of this and apply your filters. Okay, select all, Deepak and Sam. I want only the Deepak details and Sam details. See, guys, it is filtering and giving only the Sam and Deepak details. Getting it now? Okay, and ma'am, if you don't want filters, just uncheck them. Clear the filters and uncheck them. Uncheck. Yeah, guys, you have the sort option in the home page in the last. In the home page in the last. Okay, guys. So filtering is also done. Then what we have discussed, yes, we'll go with find and replace. Everybody okay? Right. Shall we go with the find and replace? Yeah, okay. And here only, guys, beside your sort and filter, beside your sort and filter only, you have find and select. Okay, so there only you will get your find and replace also here. And some people will get directly some icons over there. Okay, and some people will get find and replace over there. And we have shortcut to get this, guys. So what is the shortcut to find and get that? Control plus H. Control plus H is the shortcut. So use your control plus H. Guys, the shortcut I'm writing, find and replace. Find and replace. Yeah, only find, Control F, Control plus F. Find and replace, find and replace, Control plus H in your keyboard. Control plus H in your keyboard. Control plus H. See, guys, when I press Control plus H, one find and replace dialog box is coming. Getting it? Yeah, find is very simple, guys. Control F, and whatever you type, suppose if I type RAM, if any matching data is there, so simply find all. Yes, I have one person. See, by automatically it is taking the cell RAM. Matching data is there, and if you click on next, no, I have only one record, which RAM. Find is similar, guys. Find is very, very easy. Just Control F. Just Control F. Yes, when you press Control F, by default, your replace window is also working over there. See, guys, you are getting the replace also. So two keys we can take. So Control plus F also. Control plus F and Control plus H. But if you put Control plus H, if you press Control plus H, directly replace you will get. If you press only Control plus F, you will be in find. But both are in same time. No need to worry. So, and find is easy. So we will discuss with the replace. Okay. Tell me which one we will replace. Suppose, see here, guys. I have fees of 2 students is 2,500. Okay, I want to replace these 2,500, these two values. So let us assume their fees is increased to 3,000. Okay, then simply click on replace all. Replace all. We made two replacements. What are the two replacements? Previously, I have 2,500 over here, 2,500 over here. So these two cells now replaced with 3,000. Simply click on close. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay, guys, done. Okay, guys, I want to show you instead of this, right, find and replace. Okay, I want to show you some additional point over here. Let me take this one more column. Wait, guys, it got stuck again. Just a second. Just a second. Oh. The additional point, guys, instead of find and replace, I want to tell you the new point, one new point over here. Okay. Okay, so let us assume I want to put name of organization, whatever it is, guys. It's a like, okay. But see here, instead of giving typing the names, let us assume for these 5 persons, my name of the organization is same. Okay, XLR. I want to type XLR. Okay, what I'm trying to do here is go to your file, guys. Go to your file. Click on the file. I'm giving you the new point, guys, which is not included. So with the shortcut letters, how can we get the entire name replaced? Okay, so go to the file. Go to the file. Click on the file. And you have options there. You have options. Click on the options. Click on the options. Click on the options. Click on the options. Yes, got it, guys. Following. There you have an option proofing. Proofing is there. Proofing. Click on the proofing, guys. This is the additional point which is not included. These are some additional points to get the short. I mean, like with the text, how can we replace the entire names also? Okay, right. The additional point. Right. Click on the proofing. See here, guys. You have auto correct options there. Will you able to see the auto correct options here? So click on the autocorrect options. And one new dialog box is open. Okay, right. Suppose whenever I found, suppose I want to put ex there. I want to put ex. Whenever I enter ex in any specific cell, replace that with my organization name as XLR. I'll repeat. So you will get this empty replace with what? Like this. So from here also you can choose anything, guys. So anything. Whenever you see the again, it will replace. I mean, auto correction means sometimes when we type some keywords, you will write like instead of given, we will miss some letters. Instead of organization, instead of receive. Yes, so we will miss some letters. It will do the auto correction the same way. So here, suppose whenever I find EX, I want to replace that with XLR. If any such letter is found, I want to replace that with these letters. Okay. Done, guys. Following. Following, guys. Okay, then click on OK. Then click on OK, guys. Then see here what I supposed to enter only EX. I am typing only EX, guys. I'm not typing the entire organization name. I'm just taking EX. Simply press enter. See, we have already given the auto correction option. So this is your auto correction option. So the additional point. Ma'am, is this bit important? Yes, auto correction is important. Why? Because whenever we enter some data manually, whenever we are entering the Excel sheet, sometimes without our notice, we will give some, we will type some wrong letters. So if some people are some habituated to like receive. So what they will do receive REC, IVE, EVE, they will be in bit confusion. So whenever you put them in specific proofing auto correction options, whenever you type wrong, automatically it will take it as correct only. So that is the use of this auto correction option in this thing. So let me take the Excel. Yes, I'll type the EX only. I'll type only the EX. Automatically it will take Excel. Auto correction, guys. This is about your auto correction. Yes, we can use it for short form. We can use it to find like whenever we type the keywords, the most repeated word, sometimes the confusion between the two letters. In such cases, we can set this auto correction option. So in that cases also it will work properly. Guys, done? Clear? Yes, and I have already mentioned you this thing. I have shared one employee data in the Google Drive. I think you have that Google Drive link, folder link, Google Drive link. So in that I have already shared the data and I'll show you the data also. And name of the Excel workbook is employee data. So this is a sheet you will get, guys. Will you able to see this sheet? So for your practice, whatever the things we have discussed, okay, that will be covered you can practice here also. Okay, genders, ascending order, location names, filtering, sorting, and date formats if you want to change, or else if you want to replace any salary values, and if you want to give the colors, borders. So this is the sheet, guys. Do some practice. And again, if you are having any doubts, we will do this on the next class. Okay, right. Okay, guys, just we'll do some quick recap what we have done in the today's session. Okay, so we started with the Excel workbook, password protection, and how to remove the password for the Excel workbook. Then coming to the sheet, how to protect the sheet and how to unprotect the sheet. And after that, navigating to the sheet, control plus down, page down, control plus page ups. So navigating to the sheets, or else right click on the right arrow mark, so that we will get the list of all the sheets. From there also you can choose your sheet. Then we have done with like data entry, like autofill, that fill handle and fill series. Then how to adjust the column spaces, and how to take the new columns, how to delete the columns, and how to take the new rows, how to delete the rows. The shortcut keys we have learned. Then coming to the undo and redo, we have learned. Then what we have done, guys? Undo and redo. The formatting. Yes, the formatting. The shortcut keys. The shortcut key is Control plus 1 to format cells, and you can change your date for the date formats for the specific column, currencies, percentages. Normal formatting only, guys, not the conditional formatting. We will discuss conditional formatting to the next classes. So we are moving a bit step by step from the scratch. Okay. Then sorting and filtering, ascending order and descending order for the characters data, and for the smallest to the largest and largest to the smallest for the numerical data. And then find and replace. Yes, so find and replace we have done. And the last one is proofing, guys. Actually, very important, proofing. So, and just proofing means go to the file, click on the options, go to the file, click on the options. There you will get the proofing. Okay, in the proofing you have autocorrect options. There you can set your letters which with replace you want. I mean, which words or which letters you want to replace, with what letters you want to replace. That is also possible. Just mention over here. Click on OK. Click on OK. This is the additional point, guys. Sometimes this is also a bit required when we frequently doing the same mistake of one single word. So this will help us. Okay, that is your auto correction option. So this is what we have discussed in the today's session. Okay. You guys practice with the sheet. I have a workbook I have already provided in the drive. Okay, and save your files, whatever you have done in the today's session. Practice with your keyboard shortcuts, and these are very, very important. Without practice, it is a bit difficult to get the analysis knowledge. So we are in the scratch, we are in the beginning only, but when we enter into the original analysis, so that will be very helpful. Keyboard shortcuts are very, very helpful. Okay, right. Yes, guys, next session will be on Monday. Yes, Amar, no session tomorrow, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah, we have session on Monday and same timings, like 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, guys, thank you. We'll meet on Monday.
So dear students, I hope everybody mark the attendance. If not, please mark it and share your feedback. We'll see you on Monday.
Yeah, thank you, Amar. I'm leaving. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure.